Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to scrape any JavaScript website using Python Selenium. It's pretty simple, let's get started. We will do this using the Amazon site as an example. First go to your IDE. I use a PyCharm. We will use Helium library to scrape. It is based on Selenium library. Helium wraps around Selenium to give you a simpler API. So open Python packages and find Helium light browser automation based on Selenium. Install package Helium installed, and install the BeautifulSoup library. BeautifulSoup 4. BeautifulSoup is a library that makes it easy to scrape information from web pages. Install package BeautifulSoup 4 installed, and let's write the code. From Helium import all, and from BeautifulSoup 4 import BeautifulSoup. We have the error. Why? Let's install package Helium once more. Okay, now everything is working. Go ahead. Let's add the URL which we will scrape. Copy it from the Amazon page. Okay, let's choose a browser to scrape. Start Firefox or Chrome. I choose Firefox. Add the URL here and write that headless equals true. Let's check. Run the program. We haven't errors. Good. Go ahead. Let's create a soup equals BeautifulSoup from browser.pageSource and add html.parser. Next, let's find the elements which we want to scrape. I want to scrape item names. How to do this? Inspect the code and find here element. I found the text. It's the name of our item, and we need to copy the latest div element before the text. It's a section, a spacing, non-spacing, top, small, blah blah blah. Copy it and write names equals soup.find all, then div tag, then curly brackets, class, and paste the class which we copied. Next, for every item in names, print the text. What's the text? Item.find, and find the element with the text. It's a span class, and the name of this class is a size base plus a color base, a text normal. Copy it, type a span, and class is what we copied. We need to add curly brackets here, and we need to make it text. Replace the bracket here. Okay, what the problems? Add the comma and add a colon. Okay, let's run the program, and we have all names of goods from this Amazon web page. It's good. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.